I need to call an electrician. I don't think their things are up to code. I know, we're staffed. I need an IPW electrician here. Excuse me. No, Mitch is in the other room. He wasn't here at 10.
BB-8. Prep the ready room for recruits. Commander 9-Num, please report back to ITS cockpit.
Incoming transmission from Ray. BB-8, is everyone assembled? Good. Should he be in flight prep? Recruits, thank you for joining the cause. A covert resistance team led by my friend Finn has infiltrated a first-order Star Destroyer that is now headed to this system. Your outpost on Batu is no longer safe. We have transports waiting to take you to General Organa's secret base on Pakara. I'll regroup with you there. The Resistance desperately needs your help in our fight against Kylo Ren and the First Order. Remember, it is vital that you keep the location of the Pakara base secret. Lieutenant Beck, one of our top commanders, will lead you.
Affirmative. Transport is ready. 9-Num and I shall personally see them delivered.
Thank you, Lieutenant. Welcome to the cause. May the Force be with us.
Commander Poe Dameron and a squadron of X-Wings shall escort us to the rendezvous point on Pakara.
Roger, this is Black Leader. I hear you're a fine-looking group of recruits. Well, no time to waste. Let's get you on your way to the General.
Stand clear. Deck doors open now.
Alright, you're number five, okay? Are you all together?
Hurry, all recruits and transports. No need for safety here, and it'll be a smooth ride. Deck is in motion. Recruits crossing to transport.
Yeah, here's BB-8.
Initiate reflight sequence on Deck 3 for Picard. Affirmative. Deck 3, you are clear for launch. Picard personnel, this is your final call on board.
I'm getting a high read on the fuel pressure line. That's better. Check the binary motivator. Yes, I just want to be sure.
All recruits must be on board now. Transport is away in 30 seconds.
Good. Yes, check the hyperdrive also.
Transport takeoff in 20 seconds.
Good. Airspeed sensor? Thank you, 9-Num. Black Leader, are you and your team ready?
Affirmative, the engines are hot. Red 2, Blue 5, report. Red 2, check.
Blue 5 standing by.
Engage propulsions and hold on, recruits. All ships, launch. I am Lieutenant Beck. As you heard from Ray, I have been tasked with getting you to Pakara.
Red 2, Blue 5, keep tight now. Let's get ready to make that jump to light speed on my mark.
Black Leader, we're picking up an unusual signal. Are you spotting anything?
Yeah, I see it. We'll check it out. BB-8, what do you got?
There appear to be a number of small craft heading our way. Raise the shields. Copy that. Get us clear so we can make the jump.
Be ready, you won't have much time.
Where are all those TIE fighters coming We are a civilian vessel. By whose authority are we being detained?
By the authority of the First Order, Resistance scum. Now bring down your shields and prepare to be boarded.
They'll want the location of our secret base. Tell them nothing. The future of the Resistance is at stake. I have a bad feeling about this. Stand back from those doors.
Attention on board. The ship is now under the command of the First Order. We'll exit out in an orderly fashion. Sorry, you. This way. Keep proceeding out to the right. We'll follow them.
It's also Bill Weasley. It's Bill Weasley. Yeah, we're pretty good.
We're at the same.
Jimmy wants one of those structured methods.
Single file, stop here.
No, I like the one because it is
Single file, follow the wall.
That's what I want. Single file.
Right here, one after the other.
Single file. I want to know it's not the right, you don't go.
Oh wait, you're putting us in a cell?
Yeah, we're
I know the
prison.
location of the base, I'm not telling you though. We're in prison!
Don't be down. Don't be down. We're in prison.
I didn't do it!
I think he knows he did wrong.
She made me do it! I don't even know these people. I was just going out for some milk.
Blue milk or green milk?
Prisoners are secure.
Leave us.
Yes, General.
Enemies of the First Order. We will soon snuff out your meager resistance. You chose the wrong side, and now you will pay. The Resistance prisoners.
You have what I want. You know the location of the secret base, and I will take it from you.
We are needed on the bridge.
Keep the prisoners here. I will return to finish this personally.
Now, trying to give it a good time.
Come on, guys, baby, let's do this.
I know. He's like, fine, I'll open the baby can. Fine, I'll open it up.
Stand back, please, wait!
Get it ready. All parties go down by your feet. You go down from left to right and left to right only. Peter, you're in? Okay.
Great holiday. How's their dental?
Okay, take this corridor to the turbo lift, then head down to the escape pod base. Those droids are programmed to return you to Batu. Hurry and don't get caught. Lieutenant Beck will guide you.
Recruits, for your safety, stay seated with seatbelts securely fastened. Keep hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the transport and supervise your children. Tell them it's a prisoner transfer. Did it work? Good. Now get a move on. There's a clear path to the turbo lifts at the end of the hallway. Turn right.
Hey, you're not authorized. Wait, those are the prisoners. You're free to detention block 3.
Uh-oh.
Detention to level D.
They can't hit anything.
The Resistance will attempt to rescue the prisoners.
They have neither the resources nor the courage to engage us.
You underestimate their conviction. Raise the shields!
Shields? I see no evidence.
Now!
Sound the alarm! All personnel to their stations!
Sir, the prisoners have escaped.
How brave, but ultimately hopeless. There's nowhere to run.
Looks like I just ran somewhere. Oh boy.
Attention, all resistance personnel. Abandon ship. I repeat, abandon ship. This destroyer is about.
There's no escape. You will tell me the location of the secret base, and then I will destroy you and the Resistance.
Your escape pods came in a little off target. Ground crews will meet you outside the wreck.
All right, nice job, recruits. Not what you signed on for, but hey, you're Resistance now. I think I have that authority. Right, Beck? Where's the lieutenant? I need eyes on Beck. Line up, scan for his pod beacon.
More escape pods down in Sector 4. Verification pending from...
Lieutenant Beck here.
Beck! You're alive!
I should hope so. Great job, recruits. Thanks to your heroism, the location of the Resistance base is secure. Bravo!
Not been over here.
R5, you too.
Make sure you have all your cargo. Watch your step as you exit the transport.
Good job, R5.
Great work out there. Watch
Thank
your
you.
step.